A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I wonder what it would be like for be one of Jesus' close follower them and for day with him almost all the time. For see everything we him do and hear everything we him say. You ever think about it? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you see, if you're not subscribed yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button, yeah, and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 9 from verse 2 to verse 13. After 6 days, Jesus take Peter, James, and John with him, and the four of them go upon one high mountain. All of a sudden, Jesus start to change right in front of them. Him clothes turn white like a light. It did well white. No bleach in the world couldn't bleach them white so. Then see Elijah and Moses come turn up in front of him and talk to him. So Peter said to Jesus, say, Teacher, a good thing say we did there. Make we build up 3 sheds now. One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah. Because then did so frightened. He never know what to say. Then one cloud come down, come cover them up. And them hear somebody voice in the cloud say, a me boy pitney this. Unu fi listen what him say. Them turn around for look same time. But when them look, them no see nobody. Only them and Jesus one. And when Jesus and him follower them did a come down the mountain, him give them order, say they no fi say nothing to nobody but where them did see till after the man where God picked dead and come back alive. So then keep it to themselves and talk about it amongst them one another. And I wonder what he mean when him say, when him dead and come back alive. Then them ask him say, what make the law teacher them say that Elijah must come back first before the one where God sent to save people come? Jesus answer them say, Elijah come for true, forget everything on track. But what make una think it right down say the man where God pick, where have to go through enough sufferation and people are going to treat him like say, him a nobody. But me I tell you no, Elijah come already. And some people do him all where they did want to do him. Just like how it right down. Say them would do him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.